Teacher, my project work is done. Earbud.
There is some earbud.
There is some earbud, medicine, antiseptic cream,
Bandages.
bandage, Vicks,
Sanitizer.
sanitizer, Dettol, cotton, paracetamol, soap, scissor. Teacher, my project is over. My project is first aid kit. I kept Dettol, Lifebuoy sanitizer, paracetamol tablets, paracetamol tablets, ointment, vitamin tablets, hold, cough syrup, bandages. When we got hot powder,
Crocin tablets.
crocin tablets. This is my project, teacher. Good morning, teacher. I am Harsha. This is my mini first aid kit. Cotton, earbuds, paracetamol tablets, vitamin C tablets, Vicks, Dettol soap, eye drops, sanitizer, bandage, roller bandage, scissor. Teacher, my project work is over.
Good morning, teacher. My name is Tyson. My project work is complete. Dettol cleaner, antiseptic liquid, cotton, antiseptic cream, earbuds, vitamin tablet, scissor, bandage, prawn powder. My project work: cotton bandage, my project work is over, teacher.
Work is done, teacher. My name is Yashwant. Sanitizer, Dettol soap, Lifebuoy soap, fever tablets, bandage, cotton, ointment. Teacher, my project work is over. Teacher, my name is Yashwant. Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Gaushia. My project work is complete. Cotton, sanitizer, eardrops, iodex, earbuds, Vicks, paracetamol, vitamins tablets, Caesar. My project work is complete, teacher.